As you learn any new application, whether that's Word, Excel, Outlook, or some non-Microsoft application, one of the first things you're going to want to do is become familiar with the interface itself. So that's what I want to take a look at here. Just get kind of the layout of the land and understanding of navigating around this interface that makes up Microsoft Word. And we're going to make this quick because this is something that we're going to continue to talk about as we go through the remaining sections and lectures of this course. So let's make this quick. So take a look at the screen. I've already opened up a brand new document, and to call out some of the areas, I've got up at the top of my screen, top left corner, I've got what's called the Quick Access Toolbar, or QAT, Quick Access Toolbar. I've got the ribbon. This was introduced way back inside the 2007 edition of the Microsoft Office suite. They ripped out the old drop-down menus that some of us might remember, and they've now given us what they call the ribbon. Just a much more graphical interface to get access to all the tools that you'll be using as you work inside of Word documents. Right below that, you've got your main document. I can see here that I've got a page within this document. I've got a single page. You can even look down here in the lower left corner of my screen and see that I'm on page 1 of 1. But I've got my Word page. This is really my Word document. Now, looking at the bottom of my screen, this is really called the status bar. And there's several bits of information here. Like I showed off, you can see how many pages you got there and what page you're on. You've got some zoom tools located over here in the lower right corner of the screen. And you got some different views that you can use as well. Now, this is just really quickly kind of the layout of the application itself. Quick Access Toolbar in the top left corner. You got the ribbon with all those tabs, Home, Insert, Design, and so on, where you're going to find all your tools that you can use inside your Word documents. You've got the Word document itself, the largest portion of the screen, and then you've got the status bar with a few things on there currently. Keep an eye on that status bar because you're going to see that change as you work inside of Word documents. You're going to see some other options show up for you there. So that's just really quickly, that's the interface. But let's break down some of the more important parts of this interface. But you know what? Even before we do that, just get familiar with it. Click around in the interface and try it out.